Hey, here we are taking off to hit Orlando. Yeah. Taking the Sunshine Express to Port Orleans Riverside. Here to the registration area to check in. Just outside the lobby is where you can find the boat launch. Also, there are 2 dining options while at Riverside. You can eat at Boatwright's, which is table service, or Riverside Mill Food Court, which is right beside it. If you're in search of an adult beverage or mocktail, look no further than Muddy Rivers Poolside Bar. Here, a short distance from the pool, Muddy Rivers Bar. Here you can order traditional mocktails for the kids, like daiquiris, but also if you're looking for like a signature New Orleans drink, try something like the Hurricane or the Nola Cola. Okay, we made it.
His birthday. Who does Buzz believe he is? A space ranger. What is Buzz Lightyear?
Okay, Grandma and I, there she is. We made it. I got a souvenir mug already. Layer drink. So here's the pool area.
Mommy, good job. According to Lilo, who controls the weather? The fish. Do you remember his name?
As with all moderate resorts at Walt Disney World, this resort has a water slide. This is located at Old Man Island, which is the largest of the 6 pools on property. It is a 95-foot water slide. And also you have access to the pool over at French Quarter, where they have a 51-foot water slide over at Doubloon Lagoon. Old Man Island area also has a hot tub. It has a little wading pool for the younger kids, and also the fishing hole is not too far from here. Outside the pool area, make sure you check out the activity schedule so you know when they'll do the activities during the day, crafts, movie Under the Stars, and what night they will have their glow parties. As you can see, this pool area is quite large and it does get busy, so I recommend getting there earlier in the day. There is a hot tub, there's that fun water feature there. The water slide is to the far right, but it is a beautiful place to relax and enjoy the Florida sun. Who's that lady? So we made it all the way over here to Port Orleans Riverside. And since we are staying in the Royal Room, we will be over here in these beautiful mansions. And right now, it's a little bit of a walk from the pool, but it's beautiful out, so I'm not even gonna complain. Pool area. We are a short walk over this bridge. And let me tell you, we lived in New Orleans only for a year. My husband worked with the Saints. It was amazing. But look at this. It's supposed to mimic the like mansions of New Orleans. That's a bush. But it's just stunning. So we are over here at, oh gosh, I took French in school because I'm Canadian. We are over here in Parterre Palace. We have a ground floor room. So let's go for a walk. Okay, so here is Magnolia Terrace. This is Port Orleans Riverside. These are the mansions that are supposed to mimic those down in New Orleans. It is a stunning resort. Now we are in one of the mansions because we are in a royal room. So stay tuned for that. What's crazy about this resort is just, it's not in your face Disney. They made it beautiful. It seems like you're in New Orleans. It feels like you're in Louisiana. You know, Louisiana's not that far. Look at that. This is a Disney resort. Look at that. It is stunning. And then, as you know, if you stay in this resort, you can take boat transportation to Disney Springs, which I still call downtown Disney. And if you can see in the background, there's one of the boats now. But it won't run if there's lightning, which it looks like it's going to be soon. Okay, here comes one of those beautiful boats now. And it also goes to French Quarter. So peaceful. Okay, so now we're coming up to our building. There's the main lobby area and the boats. And sorry, there's a golf cart coming. We're located right over here. And we have a first floor building, so we're really excited for that. So here we are. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my bags in before my kids ruin everything and make this room all messy. OMG. So this, hold on, I got stuff stuck in the door, is the royal room. This is so, first of all, detail. Oh my goodness. This is like, I can't believe how pretty. We have the princes. Oh, we have a letter from welcome all. We're excited to have you stay with us. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. My kids are going to flip. Just look at, like, everything is so detail. Trying to zoom out a bit, but I can't seem to. Okay, so here we are. So this is huge. So compared to a Valley Resort, there's a lot more magic carpet. Oh, okay, I'll obviously know what I'm gonna be doing later. We have a beautiful television, the beds. Oh my goodness. The princess wall. I gotta turn on more lights. I just can't figure out how. We have Tiana herself and everything, like, oh my goodness. I can't even explain this. Hold on. There we go, some more lights. Even look at the trim. It's like Cinderella. We got Beauty and the Beast. And look at the bathrooms. Oh my goodness, double sinks for one, winning. We have a genie lamp. Here I am sweating because came from Colorado. Oh, and we have a tub with a beautiful shower curtain. And everyone, don't worry, the H2, oh, it's at this end. And, without making everybody sick, ooh, it's a bigger neck, and it's all gold. I am obsessed. Well, let me check out the safe. Oh, we have an extra pillow. First of all, tons of hangers, which I love. Safe is not very deep. Like that's gonna fit one iPad maybe? Oh, we have a privacy curtain. Let's just look at this room one last time. Let's just admire this beautiful, oh yes, I have to hit the button. Ready? Hold on, we'll do it for this one. Who needs fireworks? First of all, I can't even explain to you how obsessed I am with this princess wall. It is amazing.
The horse has brains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect. Now you're going to use your magical stirring wand that's there in your cup, and you're going to stir Pluto in and create some magic, okay? Perfect.
Ooh, I didn't believe remember when you did it with Mickey?
Look at mine, buddy. I thought I had a frog on top. Look.
What is happening? Oh, my back hurts. Oh. Okay.
Oh, look, we have 600.
Oh, we got 550. Whoa, we can do it. Oh. Lord, I can do
You
it.
guys are gonna lose. This is terrifying.
What happened again?
No!
Whoa.
They're coming!
Wait.
They're coming!
Okay, so now we're finishing the day in the arcade here in Riverside. It's right to the right of the lobby. We got games for everybody. Okay, so here's where we are up here at Riverside. It's a very large resort, but you have the bonus to be able to go to Port Orleans, which is right there. You just take this boat. Our room, the royal room, is over in this section here. We actually like this room. So we have quite a hike.
Tons. I don't get
Lola, what are you looking at? Okay, so one of the great things about staying at Riverside is you can walk over to French Quarter. It's a simple boat ride. And you can come say hello to some of my friends. Ah. We love this resort. So French Quarter, unlike Riverside, is based on the French Quarter, which I've been to a few times. And there's the pool with King Neptune. It's a serpent slide. They have a really nice park over here for kids to play on. Okay, and one thing that's also really great when you come to the French Quarter Port Orleans is they have a really great splash pad here for kids. It is great. My kids were younger. We absolutely loved it. So here it is. I'll turn around so you can get a better view. Okay, finishing up night number 1 here at Port Orleans, learning how to vlog. Very new at this, very don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to balance like paying attention to my kids, but also creating. I'm gonna get better. I will improve, but one of the best things about this resort, honestly, is the walking, the waterway. It's like you're in Louisiana, it really does, and I've lived there for a year. But anyways, stay tuned for tomorrow. We're hitting up Epcot back-to-back days.